Hello, welcome to our classes. I'm Dr. K.K. Misra. This video tutorial is on multiple choice questions on computer fundamentals. This is part 4. Now come to the question. Question number 1. Dash is an OOP principle. A. Structured programming. B. Procedural programming. C. Inheritance. D. Linking. Correct option is inheritance. Inheritance is an OOP principle. 2. COBOL is widely used in application. A. Commercial. B. Scientific. C. Space. D. Mathematical. Correct option is A. Commercial. 3. RAM stands for. Correct option is D. Random access memory. 4. 1 byte is equal to. Correct option is A. 8 bits. 5. SMPS stands for. Here correct option is A. Switched mode power supply. 6. Video is also called A. Screen. B. Monitor. C. Both A and 1 and 2 or A and B, or D. Printer. Correct option is C. Both A and B. 7. The device used to carry digital data on analog lines is called as A. Modem. B. Multiplexer. C. Modulator. D. Demodulator. Correct option is A. Modem. D. BIOS stands for. Here correct option is A. Basic Unit Output System. Input Output System. 9. Father of C programming language. A. Dennis Ritchie. B. Professor John Kimley. C. Thomas Kurz. D. Bill Gates. Correct option is A. Dennis Ritchie. 10. The instructions that tell a computer how to carry out the processing tasks are referred to as computer dash. Here correct option is A. Programs. 11. An area of a computer that temporarily holds data waiting to be processed is dash. A. CPU. B. Memory. C. Storage. D. File. Correct option is B. Memory. 12. Dash is the key to close a selected drop down list. Cancel a command and close a dialog box. A. Tab. B. Shift. C. ESC. D. F10. Here correct option is C. ESC. 13. Dash is the key we use to run the selected command. A. Shift. B. Tab. C. Enter. D. Control. Correct option is C. Enter. 14. Dash is the functional key to display save as box. A. 5. F5. B. F6. C. F9. D. F12. Correct option is D. F12. 15. Data becomes dash when it is presented in a format that people can understand and use. A. Process. B. Grabs. C. Information. D. Presentation. Correct option is C. Information. 16. The term dash designates equipment that might be added to a computer system to enhance its functionality. A. Digital device. B. System add-on. C. Disk pack. Or D. Peripheral device. Correct option is D. Peripheral device. 17. A dash is a microprocessor based computing device. A. Personal computer. B. Mainframe. C. Workstation. Or D. Server. Correct option is A. Personal computer. 18. RAM can be treated as the dash for computer's processor. A. Factory. B. Operating room. C. Waiting room. D. Planning room. Correct option is C. Waiting room. 19. Which of the following are the functions of an operating system? A. Allocates resources. B. Monitors activities. C. Manages disk and files. D. All. Correct option is D. All. 20. To move a copy of file from one computer to another over a communication channel is called A. File transfer. B. File encryption. C. File modification. D. File copying. Correct option is A. File transfer. 21. The primary function of the dash is to set up the hardware and load and start an operating system. A. System programs. B. BIOS. C. CPU. Or D. Memory. Correct option is B. BIOS. 22. What kind of memory is both static and non-volatile? A. RAM. B. ROM. C. BIOS. D. Cache. Correct option is B. ROM. 23. Dash is computer software designed to operate the computer hardware and to provide platform for running application software. A. Application software. B. System software. C. Software. D. Operating system. Correct option is B. System software. 24. The dash is the amount of data that a storage device can move from one storage medium to the computer per second. A. Data migration rate. B. Data digitizing rate. C. Data transfer rate. Or D. Data access rate. Correct option is C. Data transfer rate. 25. A device which is not connected to CPU is called as dash A. Landline device. B. Online device. C. Offline device. Or D. Device. Correct option is C. Offline device. 26. What is the other name for programmed chip? A. RAM. B. ROM. C. LSIC. D. PROM. Correct option is C. LSIC. 27. Online real-time systems become popular in dash generation. A. First generation. B. Second generation. C. Third generation. Or D. Fourth generation. Correct option is C. Third generation. 28. You use A or an dash such as keyboard or mouse to input information. A. Output device. B. Input device. C. Storage. Or D. Processing device. Correct option is B. Input device. 29. Dash is the ability of a device to jump directly to the requested data. A. Sequential access. B. Random access. C. Quick access. Or D. All of the above. Correct option is B. Random access. 30. Dash provides process and memory management services that allow two or more tasks, jobs, or programs to run simultaneously. A. Multitasking. B. Multi-threading. C. Multi-processing. Or D. Multi-computing. Correct option is A. Multitasking. So this is all about this particular video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel R Classes and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.